Moving to the last requirement, Section 2J, primarily for manufacturers, is the segregation of pre-production costs from production costs. And really what that means is that if you perhaps have a contract to develop a proof of concept, so you have a prototype, and in building that prototype, you need a system that's going to identify what effectively is an independent research and development job. So you're not getting directly reimbursed for this particular project, but there are costs associated with retooling and so forth. So effectively what this does is give you the capability of defining that particular pre-production phase of the contract prior to the contract award and actually going into the production phase. So effectively, it's just a matter of having a separate job order scheme to track those costs.